In this tutorial, I would like to explain how to log into Percorso and then some of the different dashboard items that you will find on your main dashboard. When you first come to the Percorso webpage, look to the upper right-hand corner and you'll see the icon to log in. Enter your username and password that has been emailed to you by St. Mary's Seminary. If for some reason you have forgotten your password, you can simply select this icon, forgot your password, and an email will be sent to you with instructions on how to reset that password. After entering your proper username and password, select Login. Immediately you'll be taken to your dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see anything that you have specifically pinned in order to remember to work on that, last updated information, and then any social feedback, that is feedback that has been provided by teachers or maybe your lay formation board or others that has been submitted recently. I want to draw your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the page. Here you find the icon for the dashboard, which is where we currently are. This lists all of the different assignments that you have, and notice in this section, assignments that have been completed as well. After you submit a theological reflection or a portfolio evidence for review by a supervisor or instructor, it'll be under review. And then after that instructor or supervisor offers feedback, it'll be in the complete section. If you choose to save a theological reflection or a piece of evidence while you are working on it without submitting it, it will be in the in process section. Here you will also find all the different goals that can be selected within the Percorso program. This might give you an opportunity to reflect upon different goals by selecting on them and finding resources that are available to grow in that particular area of formation. You also have an opportunity to submit your own goals or areas that you'd like to work on with information that is helpful for other seminarians to be able to learn and to grow in their formational goals. The goals that you selected for this year or semester are listed here, again with information about how to grow or work on that particular goal, maybe books or resources that are available, and in addition, the ability to be able to add resources if you know something that has helped you to grow within that particular area of formation. If you've submitted anything to your portfolio, it'll be listed in this next section, and then an area that is strictly limited to social feedback, that is feedback on your preaching, teaching, or general feedback of ministry. Also up here on the upper right-hand section, you'll see your year in formation, and lastly then, the area to log off. These are all the basic areas of your dashboard that you will find in the Percorso system.